Alrighty, everybody, and welcome to our daily agenda for Tuesday, October 19th. Welcome to a new week, chicos. For today, we are working with TRFs and we're working with focus notes. We're getting into it. We're getting into the Avid curriculum, chicos. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. So for our do now, you guys did grade check. You know how to do that. Tuesday, do now, grade check. You guys are super familiar with that. Then we went into our focus notes, okay? So I introduced you to what are focus notes. I mean, you guys have known what focus notes are, but now, chicos, now you are going to be required to do them every Tuesday. You are going to be turning them into me. I showed you guys the rubric and what's going to happen every Tuesday when it comes to focus note checks. I'll run over it again on Friday once we do our Avid road trip. I checked your Avid introduction script. I needed that. We checked it. We did homework cards as necessary. You should have introduced yourselves to your other teachers. I had you guys do, we worked on your TRF videos. We watched that video. And then our tutors did a TRF breakdown. They broke down those three different packets that they gave you guys and what they will mean for you and what they will mean for your grade. Okay? So that was today. That was Tuesday. Your homework was to prepare for binder check and to turn in your grade checks, which would do today. All right, they're due at 11:59. Tomorrow we will be getting into some new stuff, and Friday we will be getting into some new stuff. All right, guys, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school. I can further explain focus notes. I can further explain TRFs if you're confused. I have all that available for you guys. All right, chicos, as always, I hope you have a good day, and I will see you guys in class.